Toyota's story begins long before its first car rolled onto Japanese roads. It begins inside a modest workshop with looms, gears, and a father's dream of creating better machines. Sakichi Toyoda, an inventor known as the king of Japanese inventors, spent his life building automatic looms that could transform textile manufacturing. His innovations didn't just change factories, they planted the seeds of a global automotive empire that the world would one day know as Toyota. His son, Kiichiro Toyoda, grew up watching this spirit of invention, absorbing the belief that innovation is not optional but essential. As a young man, Kiichiro became fascinated by engines and automobiles. While Japan was still developing its industrial capacity, he envisioned a future where Japan would have its own car manufacturing industry. This wasn't a popular idea at the time. Cars were expensive, and Japan relied heavily on imported automobiles from the West. But Kiichiro's mind worked differently. He believed that for Japan to modernize, it needed a strong domestic automotive industry. So he pushed forward, even when others doubted his vision. The turning point came in 1930, when Kiichiro traveled to Europe and the United States. There, he witnessed automotive mass production firsthand, especially the efficiency of Ford's assembly lines. The speed, precision, and scale of production stunned him. He returned to Japan, determined to build something similar. This trip planted a seed that would later grow into Toyota's world-famous production system. Even though Toyota's roots lay in textiles, Kiichiro took a major step by establishing an automotive division within his father's company. This bold move led to the creation of the Toyota A sedan, the company's first passenger car. It wasn't perfect, but it represented the start of a journey that would reshape global mobility. The decision to enter the automotive world was risky, but Kiichiro believed that Japan's future depended on industrial independence. The 1930s were challenging years. Toyota had limited resources, and the Japanese automotive market was dominated by American giants like Ford and General Motors. These companies had production facilities in Japan and held most of the market share. Toyota had to compete not only with their financial strength, but also their technological superiority. Kiichiro responded by focusing on local needs, designing cars that could handle Japanese roads and conditions better than foreign vehicles. As World War II approached, Toyota shifted much of its production to support the Japanese military. The company built trucks and other military vehicles, gaining valuable manufacturing experience that would serve them well in the post-war era. However, the war also brought destruction and financial strain. After Japan's defeat, Toyota found itself on the brink of collapse, with limited demand for vehicles and almost no resources. Post-war Japan needed to rebuild, and Toyota recognized an opportunity. In 1947, Toyota introduced the SA model, a small passenger car designed for a recovering economy. Although production was limited, this model symbolized Toyota's resilience and determination to survive. It also marked the beginning of a new era where Toyota would shift from survival mode to innovation mode. By the early 1950s, Toyota was still struggling financially. It wasn't until the company adopted new management philosophies and streamlined its production processes that things began to improve. A pivotal moment came when Toyota executives visited American factories to study manufacturing efficiency. There, they learned the principles that would later inspire the Toyota Production System, TPS, known globally for its efficiency and quality. One of the most influential people during this period was Taiichi Ohno. He observed how supermarkets managed inventory and applied the same logic to factories. This led to the creation of the just-in-time system, which eliminated waste and ensured that parts arrived exactly when needed. Ohno's ideas transformed Toyota into one of the most efficient automakers in the world. Kaizen, meaning continuous improvement, became another pillar of Toyota's culture. Instead of relying on top-down decision-making, Toyota encouraged workers at every level to suggest improvements. This approach empowered employees and led to thousands of small innovations that collectively made Toyota's vehicles more reliable and more affordable than ever. By the 1960s, Toyota was ready to expand globally. The company entered the American market with the Toyota Crown, but the car struggled due to its lack of power for U.S. highways. Toyota learned from this failure and returned with a new model, the Toyota Corolla. Introduced in 1966, the Corolla's affordability, reliability, and fuel efficiency made it an immediate success. Within years, it became one of the best-selling cars of all time. The success of the Corolla allowed Toyota to pursue more ambitious projects. The company expanded manufacturing plants around the world, reducing shipping costs and adapting cars to local markets. Toyota also invested heavily in research and development, designing engines that balanced performance with fuel efficiency at a time when oil crises were reshaping consumer priorities. The 1973 oil crisis marked a major turning point in Toyota's global fortune. While American automakers struggled due to their large, fuel-hungry cars, Toyota's smaller and more efficient vehicles thrived. Consumers across the world began to switch to Japanese cars, and Toyota emerged as a symbol of practicality and reliability. In the 1980s, Toyota continued innovating with the launch of advanced technologies such as multi-valve engines and electronic fuel injection. Toyota vehicles became known not only for efficiency, but also for durability. The brand's reputation soared, and by the late 1980s, Toyota had become one of the most respected automakers globally. A major milestone came in 1989 with the introduction of Lexus, Toyota's luxury division. The Lexus LS400 stunned the world with its quiet ride, high-quality craftsmanship, and competitive pricing. It disrupted the luxury car market and established Toyota as a leader not only in economical cars, but also in premium segments. During the 1990s, Toyota began investing heavily in environmentally friendly technology. This effort led to the launch of the Toyota Prius in 1997, the world's first mass-produced hybrid car. The Prius revolutionized the industry and paved the way for hybrid technology to become mainstream. Its success proved that consumers were ready for greener cars, and Toyota quickly expanded its hybrid lineup. Toyota's commitment to sustainability was not limited to hybrid cars. The company also explored hydrogen fuel cell technology, culminating in the Toyota Mirai. Although hydrogen infrastructure remains limited, Toyota's willingness to invest in future technologies demonstrated its long-term vision. By the early 2000s, Toyota had become one of the world's largest automakers. The company overtook General Motors as the #1 car manufacturer, a testament to decades of strategic planning, innovation, and customer-driven design. Toyota also became known for producing some of the most reliable and long-lasting vehicles on the market. However, the 2000s also brought challenges. Toyota faced a major recall crisis that temporarily damaged its reputation. Instead of ignoring the problem, the company took responsibility, improved its quality control systems, and implemented stricter safety standards. This response helped Toyota rebuild trust with its customers. To stay competitive, Toyota expanded into new vehicle categories. The launch of the Toyota RAV4 helped popularize the compact SUV segment. Models like the Camry and Corolla continued to dominate global sales, becoming cultural icons in many countries. Meanwhile, Toyota trucks like the Hilux and Land Cruiser earned legendary reputations for toughness and reliability. Toyota also embraced advanced manufacturing techniques such as robotics and automation. The company built state-of-the-art factories that blended human expertise with robotic precision. The Toyota production system remained the backbone of its efficiency, inspiring companies worldwide to adopt similar principles. The rise of electric vehicles presented new challenges and opportunities. While competitors focused heavily on battery electric cars, Toyota took a more balanced approach, investing in hybrids, hydrogen, and electric technology. Toyota aimed to provide multiple powertrain choices, rather than relying solely on one technology. Toyota released the BZ4X, its first dedicated electric SUV, signaling its entry into the full electric market. The company plans to launch dozens of electric models over the next decade. Toyota's goal is carbon neutrality by 2050, and its strategy includes expanding hybrid technology, improving battery performance, and developing hydrogen-powered engines. The company also invests in autonomous driving technology. Toyota's research arm, TRI, Toyota Research Institute, works on developing self-driving cars, robotics, and artificial intelligence. Toyota envisions a future where mobility is accessible, safe, and efficient for everyone. Toyota continues to innovate in design, performance, and sustainability. The company invests in lightweight materials, advanced safety systems, and smarter manufacturing methods. Toyota Safety Sense, its suite of safety features, is now standard in many models, helping prevent accidents and protect passengers. The company's global reach is massive. Toyota operates factories in North America, Europe, Asia, Africa, and Latin America. This global presence allows Toyota to adapt vehicles to regional needs and reduce production costs. It also ensures stable supply chains and local employment. Toyota's influence extends beyond cars. The company works on smart city projects like Woven City in Japan, a futuristic living space where new technologies are tested. This project reflects Toyota's vision of integrating mobility, sustainability, and advanced infrastructure. The Toyota brand stands for reliability, quality, and innovation. Millions of people worldwide trust Toyota vehicles for daily commuting, adventure, commercial use, and long-term ownership. The company consistently ranks high in customer satisfaction and resale value. Toyota's story is ultimately about resilience. From a loom workshop to a global automotive titan, the company never lost sight of its core values. Innovation, efficiency, and customer focus shaped every step of its growth. Toyota's journey shows how a small idea can grow into a global force with dedication and vision. As Toyota moves toward the future, the company continues developing cleaner, smarter, and safer vehicles. Whether through hybrids, electric vehicles, hydrogen power, or autonomous driving, Toyota aims to lead the next generation of mobility. The spirit of Sakichi and Kiichiro Toyoda lives on in every innovation. Toyota's global success is not an accident. It is the result of decades of hard work and continuous improvement. Its focus on quality, durability, and customer satisfaction helped build a loyal global customer base that grows each year. The brand remains one of the most recognized and trusted automotive names in the world. Even after dominating the automotive world, Toyota continues to reinvent itself. With climate goals shaping the future of transportation, Toyota invests heavily in next-generation batteries, eco-friendly materials, and cleaner manufacturing methods. The company aims to balance performance, sustainability, and affordability in all its upcoming vehicles. In many countries, Toyota cars have become symbols of reliability. Taxi drivers choose them for long life, families choose them for safety, and adventure seekers choose them for toughness. Models like the Land Cruiser have become legends, surviving extreme terrains and proving Toyota's engineering excellence. Toyota's focus on motorsports also plays a key role in its innovation. Through racing events like the World Rally Championship and endurance races like the 24 Hours of Le Mans, Toyota tests new technologies under extreme conditions. The lessons learned on the track often make their way into consumer vehicles. As global mobility evolves, Toyota's mission remains clear: create vehicles that enrich lives. The company's future will blend tradition with innovation, keeping the Toyota legacy strong for generations to come. Its commitment to excellence ensures that Toyota will continue to lead the automotive world into a cleaner and smarter future. Toyota's journey from a small loom factory to becoming a global automotive leader is an extraordinary tale of vision, persistence, and innovation. It shows how a company can overcome challenges, adapt to changing times, and shape the future of an entire industry. The legacy of Toyota stands as a reminder that great things grow from humble beginnings. Today, Toyota is more than a car company. It is a global symbol of reliability and innovation. Its cars drive people to work, help families grow, support businesses, and travel to the most remote corners of the world. Toyota's story is far from over, and the next chapters promise even more groundbreaking achievements.